In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up automated abandoned checkout emails in Shopify. To begin, access the automation feature inside Shopify. Start from your Shopify admin panel and look at the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on Marketing, then select Automations. This will take you to the section where automated marketing workflows can be managed. Once you are in the Automations area, click Create Automation. After that, choose the Abandoned Checkout template. This template is designed for abandoned checkout recovery and will open the settings needed for the automation. Next, configure the recipients for the email. Shopify allows you to choose who will receive these messages. You can set the automation to send emails to all customers who abandon their checkout, or you can limit it to customers who are subscribed to email communications. After selecting the recipients, choose the timing for the email. Set the delay according to the option you want to use. Available examples include sending the email 1 hour after the checkout is abandoned, 6 hours later, 10 hours later, or 24 hours later. Once the timing has been selected, move on to the email content. Begin by entering the subject line, then add the preview text. That will appear alongside the email in supported inboxes. After that, complete the sender information so recipients can see who the message is coming from. Continue by editing the main body of the email. Review the existing content and make any changes needed for your message. If you want to include a discount code in the email, add it while customizing the content. Next, adjust the appearance of the email using Shopify's email editor. Review the layout and design settings available within the editor and make any changes you want before activating the automation. After all settings have been reviewed, click Save. Once saved, the abandoned checkout automation will become active. If you prefer to send an abandoned checkout email manually, return to the Shopify admin panel and open Orders. From there, select Abandoned Checkouts. Locate the checkout you want to recover. Click on the customer's email address and send the email directly. Also note that abandoned checkout automation may already be enabled by default in some Shopify stores. Review your automation settings to confirm the current status. After saving the automation or sending the message manually, the setup process for automated abandoned checkout emails in Shopify will be complete. Thank you for watching.